Hey everybody, we are Mark and Grace Sias with Noble Notary and Legal Document Preparers, and today we are talking about how to become a commissioned notary in Michigan, my most favorite state because I was born and raised there, and it's also known as the Wolverine State.
That's right, folks. She's a Michigander.
Guilty.
So, let's talk about the what, why, where, when, how, and who of Michigan Notary.
About my beloved home state of Michigan is that it was the 26th state founded. The capital is Lansing, and Detroit is the largest city in Michigan. Now Mark's going to talk to you about how simple it is to become a commissioned notary in this lovely state of Michigan.
Alright, so getting your notary in Michigan, you are basically going to fill out an application. You're going to go to your local court to take an oath, but you're also going to show them proof that you have your surety bond for $10,000, which doesn't really cost very much either. And then they will issue you a notary commission. Michigan also participates in remote online notary, and your commission is good for 7 years. That's pretty cool. One thing about Michigan is they don't actually require you to have a stamp, but you're going to want to get one anyways, and I'm going to tell you why. One, if you're conducting transactions that are going to be for a lender or going to be for out of state, they may need that stamp. And number two is, think of it like every time you're putting your name on your stamp on that paper, it's like branding. It's like leaving your business card almost there, because your name is associated with the Secretary of State's Registry of Notaries, and people can find you if they wanted to refer you out. You'd be really easy to find. So that's another reason for it, is think of it like leaving a business card everywhere. So that is getting your notary in commission in Michigan. And the next thing to do would be...
It explains how to be a notary in Michigan. So if you're there, definitely think about getting your commission.
Now, Michigan, there's no real training required. That's a little bit problematic because you're definitely going to want to know the laws as they pertain to notary. So you could probably really get any booklet off of Amazon or download any other state's training manual. Or you can get our course, because we teach you everything. But you definitely want to brush up on the laws as they pertain to Michigan and Michigan notarial acts. And then after you are commissioned notary, you want to make some money, right?
Absolutely.
As a notary. Yeah. So how do we do that?
Well, there's different ways. You're going to want to start by branding yourself. Again, this is where our course is going to come in handy. We show you exactly what to do, the steps you need to take to be seen in Michigan or whichever state you're at, actually whichever business you have. Mark goes over copious amounts of information, how to brand yourself, how to let other companies find you, other local people find you, right?
Exactly. So if you are looking to get into notary or legal services, you definitely want to learn from somebody who's already an industry expert. Taking that advice from somebody who owns a restaurant, not going to be a lot of help, right? They're in a completely different industry. You want somebody who's there, who knows, who has the connections, knows the ins and outs of your specific niche. And that's what we do.
That's it. Yeah, go get it. Notary Prosperity Academy.